Kobe Bryant took a sip from the fountain of youth on Sunday night, but it still wasn't enough. The Black Mamba scored 34 points, but the Los Angeles Lakers lost to the Boston Celtics 107-100 in Kobe's last game against arguably his biggest rival. Bryant looked extra motivated against his old foes, taking 28 shots in the Lakers' 60th loss of the season. The Lakers cut their deficit to 4 points late in the fourth quarter, but Kobe missed 2 late jumpers which secured the game for the Celtics. Isaiah Thomas scored 26 points for the C's, who clinched the playoff spot for the 8th time in 9 years. After the game, Kobe looked back fondly at the Lakers-Celtics rivalry, saying, quote, "It's been a joy to go against them, to be a part of a rivalry that I've watched for so long."